Hi, I'm Steve Gleason, a certified arborist and supervisor at All About Trees. Thank you for joining us today as we talk about the emerald ash borer. In recent years, there has been a great deal of talk about the emerald ash borer, and for good reason. This invasive species of insect are devastating to ash tree populations in every area they infest. The entire state of Missouri and Johnson and Wyandotte counties in Kansas are now quarantined in an attempt to stop their progression into areas unaffected. If you are within a quarantined area, please do not transport ash tree wood, brush, or debris outside these quarantine areas. Though the adult beetle can fly for many miles, they typically stay within a mile of where they are, and so their rapid progression is blamed mostly on humans moving them outside quarantined areas. There are now treatment options available that offer an advanced level of protection. The adult beetle feeds on the leaves and the borer larvae feed inside the bark, so most of these insecticides are moved within the tree systemically, and their success and failure depend greatly on the health of the tree and its ability to move the insecticide from the ground to the top of the tree. Keeping trees healthy is vital if treatment is considered, that is, trimming to clean out dead limbs, thinning to allow airflow and lessen weather-related damage, mulching around the trunk to avoid mower and weed eater damage, and to hold in moisture and insulate roots, also fertilizing if needed. Have your tree inspected by a qualified, trusted arborist to ensure your tree is healthy enough for treatment, since there are often signs of decline not easily seen, such as insect feeding from either the native borers or the emerald ash borer larvae, which feed on the vascular system of the tree and disrupt the tree's ability to move water, nutrients, and insecticides. Signs of borer damage may include unusual shoot growth on the trunk, unusual woodpecker presence which feed on the insects, wilting foliage and dieback in the crown, and small exit holes, either round for the native borers or D-shaped for the emerald ash borer. Another hidden and potentially hazardous sign of decline appears as a white fungus on the bark of a localized dead portion of the tree, which compromises the structure of the tree and makes this portion of the tree very weak and its systemic movement very low. Ensure your tree is a good candidate for treatment. Keep in mind that these borers must feed on treated trees to be killed, so even perfectly healthy treated trees may have some dieback, and treatment must continue on time until the threat is gone. Unhealthy, untreated ash trees should be considered for removal as not to create a breeding ground for the emerald ash borer beetle, which can lay 40 to 200 eggs over her adult life. If you are concerned about the emerald ash borer being a threat to ash trees on your property, please give the experts at All About Tree Care a call. We'll quickly assess your trees, and if there is cause for concern, we'll provide you with recommendations for the best course of action. Please visit us at our website at allabouttreecare.com or give us a call.